Today we are at Concept Mahindra at Sector 62 and now we're gonna introduce the car BE6. It's a pack 2 car and you know what's the best part is? I'll make you see its exteriors and interiors.
Alright guys, so here we are in front of Mahindra BE6 and honestly it looks straight out of the future. Just look at its front, the C-shaped LED DRLs that give you a bold identity, super sharp, super clean and very different from anything we have ever seen from Mahindra so far. Everything here is LED, from the headlights to signature strip that closed grills give you a proper EV vibe. Now, check this out. The coupe style roofline, it gives you BE6 a sporty stance. It's sleek, it's aerodynamic, and the lines just flow perfectly from front to back. Now, can we please take a second to appreciate these alloy wheels? They are bold, they are futuristic, and totally complete the electric look. Plus, they are designed to reduce drags and make it more improve their efficiency. You also get flush door handles which will pop out as you approach the car. Looks super premium, right? These mirrors are nice and aerodynamic and makes them all about that clean airflow. Now, my favorite part is the rear. That full width of LED light bar looks stunning, especially at night. Overall, when it comes to the exterior part, the BE6 is sharp, confident, and futuristic. Exactly what you expect from Mahindra Born Electric lineup. Honestly, this is what the future of electric SUVs looks like, and I'm totally here for it.
So currently sitting in BE6 and as the Mahindra Concept Mahindra Sector 62 Noida showroom has given me a list of features that has been in the BE6 and it's a pack 2 car. So as we can talk about the performance, it has a adaptive cruise control, and when it comes to designing, it has a soft fabric wrapped interiors and even though sequence turn indicators and startup lights sequence, and it has even though L2 ADAS plus with one radar and one vision camera. So it has a lot of features, and as we had one person from the part of my Concept Mahindra showroom team. She made me explain what exactly the infotainment when it comes to the screens and everything. I'll show you in the clip. So it has a lot of features, and as Mahindra has its own the AI, we say Maya. So it is a really excellent car when it comes to the concept when it comes to BE6 and the concept BE9, and I think it has been the awesome car, if I can say, because even though there is one default in it, what BE9 is a beneficial one because it's an adjusted to the driver, as the seat was adjusted when I was sitting in that particular car. It has adjusted my height, my way of driving according to it, as BE6 pack 2 doesn't have that feature. So I think overall car is perfect, and as they didn't allow us for the test drive, so as I have been with lot of videos and everything, the car is perfect. It's like a really good car when it comes to Mahindra, and Mahindra is, I think, one of the top most cars that we have currently. So yeah.
So in BE6, in the interior we have 12.3 inches separated screen. So this is inbuilt with Maya, Mahindra Artificial Intelligence Architecture. And if we are talking about the infotainment system, so it has the live your mood function, which will suit the complete mood of the driver and the passengers as well. So it has 3 modes. Will play the calm mode, which will adjust according to the climate and the audio, and the curtains will close properly with the sound effect. So like this only we have the cozy and the calm mode as well. Rest we have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, which is inbuilt with the pack 1 also. We have Fun and Work with this car, where we can play all the OTT's channel according to our preference. with the YouTube, Amazon Prime, Jio Hotstar, everything we can play, but once your car is on the parking mode. Here we have every single feature related to the advanced features, and we have the Groove Me as well, where if you play any song, so the car will play according to the preference of the songs as well. So it will groove itself. For that, we have to start and stop the show.
And the best part is that it's a really spacious car, if I can say, because I was seeing its boot space as well. And when it comes to driving seat, and you know what's the best part is, because as I am an automotive girly, so it feels me literally like I'm driving a spaceship, genuinely saying. As the passenger seat is pretty much great, and if you can say, the even though when it comes to, it is a proper 5-seater car, it's a family car, if you can say, and it has panoramic sunroof as well, that actually caught my attention. So yeah, it's a really conceptual perfect car for every individual, if someone is interested to buy, because I would love to buy a futuristic spaceship car, as it is giving me that particular vibe. So if I talk about this car top speed in different modes, so this is what Mahindra actually says ki this is a top speed. So in the default, when it comes to, it has 125 kilometers per hour, and in the race mode it's 202. In everyday it goes to 164, that is the top speed. And when it has two terrain modes, that is snow. In the snow mode it goes to 120, and when it comes to street they haven't tested yet. So yeah, this is the car that has a power packed, if we say, features. So yes, if you really want to go on a reliable car, this is one of the best cars that you can get.